Harish, Varsha, good evening, dear.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. Page 41. Page number 41. 41. So, after that, we are going to do partners capital account. Three partners, we will divide the amount column into three parts. Madhuri, Arsh, Jyoti. Madhuri, Arsh, Jyoti. By balance BD 3 lakh, 2 lakh. Jyoti, we don't know. This is adjustment of capital. We have to calculate Jyoti's share of capital. But the question says Jyoti, she brings her share of goodwill. How much? 40,000. Now, as I told you, this is the simple case. Simple case how? Like the new partner is coming for 1/4 share. But in question, they didn't give you how that 1/4 share the new partner is getting. Like from whom, how much the new partner is getting, it is not mentioned in the question. So whenever the case is in this way, and new profit sharing ratio is also not given in the question. So what we will do, always whenever the question is like this, old ratio equals to sacrificing ratio. Always when new ratio is not given and the new partner how much she is getting from whom is not given, we will assume that old ratio equals to sacrificing ratio. So here what is the old ratio? 3:1. That will be sacrificing ratio. So whenever the new partner brings share of goodwill, it will be distributed among old partner in sacrificing ratio. 40,000 into 3 by 4, 40,000 into 1 by 4. Madhuri and Arsh, they are old partners. They will get the premium for goodwill. Now what will be the journal entry? Whenever the new partner brings premium for goodwill, cash account debit to premium for goodwill, 40,000, 40,000. Then premium for goodwill account debit to old partner, Madhuri's capital account to Harsh capital account in sacrificing ratio. This will be the journal entry. So in the credit side of partner's capital account, we have written by premium for goodwill, Madhuri's account 30,000, Arsh account 10,000. Jyoti is the new partner. Now by revaluation, the profit which we got from revaluation account will also be given to the old partner in old ratio. So Madhuri, Arsh, they are old partner, they will get 30,000, 10,000. Then what you are going to do? One of the old partner, that is Arsh, is taking 20% of the investment. Total investment is 1,10,000. 20% of 1,10,000, 22,000. I have already taught you how we got this. So we are going to debit our capital account because Arsh needs to pay to the business for the investment taken by Arsh, 22,000. That is why we are debiting Arsh capital account. Now after that what we will do, you can write simply to balance CD. Okay, balance CD means the balancing figure you can calculate. If you calculate the balancing figure, how you will calculate? Simple partners capital account. Just make sum total of credit side of Madhuri. You will get 3,60,000. Is there any amount in the debit side of Madhuri? No. So to balance CD will be 3,60,000. In the same way, Harsh, if you make sum total of credit side, it will be 2,20,000. Any debit amount? Yes, 22,000. Harsh needs to pay to the business because Harsh has taken investment. Deduct it. So now what is the capital balance left? To balance CD Harsh, 1,98,000. Jyoti, we don't know. Jyoti is bringing proportionate capital. Now we have to calculate how much capital Jyoti is bringing. So we will leave a dash. Now this balance CD you have to write by balance BD. Why we are doing all this? In order to calculate Jyoti's share of capital. Because this is adjustment of capital question and we don't know how much the new partner brought the capital. That is why we are again writing by balance BD. So balance BD of old partner 3,60,000, 1,98,000 and Jyoti we don't know. Now again we have to do the what? Working notes. working notes, if you see, as I told you, now we have to calculate the proportionate capital. Proportionate capital means amount of capital brought by the new partner, that is Jyoti. So Jyoti's share is given 1/4. Don't write JS, you have to write full form, Jyoti's share. Then let total share be 1, total share of the firm. Remaining share 1 minus Jyoti's share, the new partner's share, 3/4. Now M and A, you write full form, Madhuri's and Harsh share. How much their share will be? 3/4. If the new partner is taking 1/4 share in total share, then the remaining share 3/4 will be given to Madhuri and Harsh. So now what is the combined capital of Madhuri and Harsh? We have calculated na, 2 balance CD, 3,60,000 plus 1 lakh, how much? 98,000. Just add their old capital, this. Total capital will be 5,58,000 into what I told. The combined share of old partner, you have to do the reciprocal share of the old partner. 3/4 is the remaining share. Just make the reciprocal. You will get 4/3. Why we are doing this? In order to know the total capital of the firm. It comes to 7,44,000. Now easily you can calculate Jyoti's share. She is coming for 1/4 share. 1/4 of total capital of the firm, 7,44,000. So Jyoti's share, that is proportionate capital, is 1,86,000. Now you can write this 1,80,000. In two places it will come, because the journal entry for bringing capital is cash or bank account debit to Jyoti's capital account first. So by bank account 1,86,000 and to balance CD. In the debit side also the balance CD you have to write now, 1,86,000. Balance CD of 3 partners, Madhuri, Harsh, Jyoti. Madhuri 3,60,000, Harsh 1,98,000 and Jyoti 1,86,000. In this way you have to calculate the new partner's share in adjustment of capital, second case, and write it down in partner's capital account. Now if you see the balance sheet, new balance sheet, in the liability side, workmen compensation claim 70,000, liability arised by the workers. Creditors 1,63,000, because already creditor of how much? Written off. Creditors of 27,000 has been written off. Total creditor in the old balance sheet is 1,90,000. You have to deduct 27,000. We don't have to pay to the creditors. So you will get how much? 1,63,000. Now capital. This new capital you have to write. Madhuri, Harsh, Jyoti, the new capital. To balance CD, 3,60,000, 1,98,000, 1,86,000. These capital you have to write in the new balance sheet. And employees provident fund, as I told you, you have to show in the new balance sheet, liability side 10,000. Then debtors 1,20,000, asset side, provision 12,000 we have to create. So 1,08,000 is the debtors in the outer column. Stock was 1,40,000 but undervalued by 10. So we have to add the 10,000. It will become 1,50,000. Now investment. Earlier in the old balance sheet, how much investment was there? 1,10,000. But 22,000 investment was taken by Harsh, the partner. So remaining investment will be shown 88,000. Now machinery 4,70,000. Why? No adjustment regarding machinery. So write the amount given in the old balance sheet, 4,70,000. What about cash? Cash shown in the old balance sheet is how much? 30,000. But you have to add how much? How much cash you are going to add? It is not 86,000, it is 1,86,000. The new capital brought by the new partner, Jyoti's share, 1,86,000 you have to add in cash. Then the 40,000 premium brought by the new partner. Then this 15,000. What is this 15,000? The bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered. The old debtor who we have written in our books bad debts now paid 15,000 in cash. So that will be added in cash. So total cash, available cash now will be 30,000 plus 1 lakh. Don't write 86, it is 1,86,000. Then 40,000, then 15,000. It becomes how much? 2,71,000. Now if you do the balancing part, that if you do sum total of liability side and asset side, it will tally. It comes to 10,87,000. Both the sides. Balance sheet matches. Liability side and asset side becomes equal. Understood this question, or you have any doubt? Yes, Harish, Kritika, Roshni, Varsha, any doubt?
No.
Okay. And your summer vacation has started? Roshni, Varsha, summer vacation started?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Happy summer holidays. Today is your last class for April month. May month, I am not going to take any class. Okay, from tomorrow, no class. Again, June first week, we will start. Okay? June first week, I will let you know from when we are going to start the class. The particular date I will let you know. I will just put in a group. You just see the group. Please do practice. We have completed 2-3 chapters, right? Fundamentals of partnership we have completed. Then goodwill, valuation of goodwill, admission of a partner. 2 to 3 chapters completed. Please go through each and every question from your book. Please give a good practice. June first week, when we start the class again, I will start retirement of a partner. Before that, be prepared with these chapters. Okay? Is it okay to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
happy
ma'am.
okay, happy holidays. Enjoy, at the same time practice also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, dear. Thank you, dear students.